Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me and thanks so much for being part of this channel tonight. I hope you're fine wherever you are, and I want to appreciate you for everything and even for choosing this channel. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate and I'm glad to have you tonight. Yes, welcome to another episode of this Kikuyu channel. Today we're going to learn something else. We're going to have something different. And we're going to learn about names uh, of towns in Kenya, how we call them in Kikuyu. And yeah, this is including small towns, big cities, and even mini towns or counties. That's what they call them nowadays. I'm an old school, so those days we never had counties. We had districts, provinces, and all that. But anyway, that's that's past tense. So without wasting much time, oh my gosh, without wasting much time, let's get started. The first city or the first town in Kenya, which is very popular, is Nairobi. Nairobi is called Nairobi. Nairobi. Now, um, before we go to the other towns or to the other cities, we get to know how we call them in Kikuyu. Let's get to know how do I say if I want to go to Nairobi. For example, I want to say I want to go to Nairobi. How do I say that? Direda godie Nairobi. Direda godie Nairobi. I want to go to Nairobi. Godie is to go. To go to Nairobi. Direda godie Nairobi. What if I want to say I just came back or I came back from Nairobi? Or someone might call me and maybe tell me or ask me, where are you? I can say I'm coming back from Nairobi. Dirauma Nairobi. Dirauma Nairobi. Kuma is to come back or to come back from. Dirauma Nairobi. Dirauma Nairobi. I'm coming back from Nairobi. Dirauma Nairobi. I'm coming back from Nairobi. Dirauma. Now, as you can see, it is like just the opposite. To go and to come back or to return back. To go, we say godie. To come back, kuma. Now, what if I want to say, okay, for example, you go to a place and you love it so much. So you most probably want to go back there, or maybe you are going there for work or other private issues, or for business or whatever. What if you want to go back, like you want to return back there? How do I say I'm returning back there? Goshoka. Negashoka. I will return back. Goshoka. Negashoka. Nairobi. I will return back to Nairobi. Or I'll go back to Nairobi. Goshoka. Nairobi. Goshoka. Nairobi. Now, what if someone wants to ask me, when are you coming back? Ogashoka re. Ogashoka re. Goshoka re. Ogashoka re. Nairobi. Goshoka is to come back or to return back. Goshoka re. That is that time. Goshoka re. Re. It's so easy. Like re. It's like when. Ogashoka re. When are you coming back? When are you returning back to Nairobi? Now, someone might ask me, what time will you come? Or what time will you be arriving? Ugashoka or ugakinya thaa cigana? Ugakinya thaa cigana? Okay, to be very specific, you say it like ugakinya thaa cigana. What time will you arrive? Gokinya is just like arriving. I just arrived. I arrived there and then. Arriving, and re we said is when. Ugakinya thaa cigana. Ugakinya thaa cigana. Ugashoka ri. Ugashoka ri. Or ugakinya thaa cigana. Gokinya thaa cigana. What time will you arrive? Goshoka thaa cigana. When will you return back? When will you come back? Now, without wasting much time, let's get back to our cities, to our towns, and let's get to know how we say the rest in Kikuyu, or how we call them in Kikuyu. Now, I had already taught you Nairobi, which was number 1 above the list, and Nairobi is called Nairobi. The next one, Mombasa, Mobada. However, other people might use another name and call it Mabada. Mabada. Mobada or Mabada. Both are accepted or applicable. The next one, Githumo, which is Kisumu. Kisumu is called Githumo. The next one is Nakuru. Naikuru. Naikuru. The other one, Eldoret. Erodoreti. Erodoreti. Or some people even say Ero. Ero. Davie Ero. Davie Erodoreti. I'm going to Eldoret. The next one, Naivasha. 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 Davie Naivasha. Drashoka. Drauma Naivasha. Drauma Naivasha. I'm coming back from, or I'm coming from Naivasha. Drauma Naivasha. The next one, Nyeri. 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 This I had already mentioned sometimes back in another video. Just check back there, back in my older videos. The next town is Malindi. Maridi. Maridi. Well, Kikuyu is not that difficult. Basically, what happens when you have the L, you just have to pronounce it as R. So, you see, like I'm saying Malindi. Malindi. When I have to say that in Kikuyu, Maridi. Maridi. So, I make the L to be R, and that D is D. D. Maridi. Maridi. It's no longer an ND. It's DI. Maridi. That's it. Very easy. The next town is Thika. 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 Very easy. Diradie. Thika. Dirauma. Thika. The next one, Kiambu. Kiabu. 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 Diradie. Kiabu. Dirauma. Kiabu. Ugashokari. Kiabu. Ugashokari. Kiabu. Urekinya thaa cigana. Kiabu. Urekinya thaa cigana. Kiabu. When At what time will you arrive in Kiambu? Oreikinya thaa cigana Kiambu? At what time will you arrive in Kiambu? I want maybe to say at 2 o'clock. Ndekinya, ndirekinya thaa inyanya. Or gokinya thaa inyanya. Gokinya thaa inyanya. I will be there at 2. I'll arrive there at 2. Gokinya thaa inyanya. Ndekinya thaa inyanya. Or are applicable. The next town is Machakos. Mashakosi. Mashakosi. Or some people even say Mashako. Wathi Mashako. I'm going to Machakos. Wathiko. Where are you going? Wathiko. Where are you going? I'm going to Machakos. Ndirathie or ndathie Mashako. Or ndathie Mashakosi. Mashakosi. The next town is Kisii. Kisii, which is Githii. Githii. Ndathie Githii. Ndiraumire Githii ira. Ndiraumire Githii ira. I left Kisii yesterday. Ndiraumire Githii ira. The next town is Kericho. Kericho is Kerisho. 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 I'll go to Kericho tomorrow. Gathie Kerisho rũciũ. I'll come back on Sunday. Gacoka kiumia. Gacoka. Gacoka kuma Kericho kiumia. Gacoka kuma Kericho kiumia. I'll come back from Kericho on Sunday. Now, the next one is Molo. How do we say Molo in Kikuyu? Moro. Moro. Now, the other one is Elbagon, which is very, very hilarious, or it has a very funny name that makes me just want to burst into laughter. And Elbagon is called Warufaga. Warufaga. Oh my gosh. Warufaga. Warufaga. Elbagon. Davie. Warufaga. I'm going to Elbagon. Davie Warufaga. The next one is Molo. Molo, which is called Moro. Moro. The other one is Nandi. Nandi. Davie Nade. 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 Now, as I had just mentioned before, in Kikuyu we don't have the N, D, I or N. Generally, the D. We have ND or, okay, we have vowels A, E, I, O, U. But then we also have this like Dan, Den, Di, Do, Do. Now, when you write Nandi, you use the D as the last couple of letters. So, if I want to say Nandi, I say Nade. Nade. That's it. So, the N is out. Nade. Diradie Nade. Dirauma Nade. I'm coming from Nandi. The next town is Turukana, which is called Turokana. Turokana. The other one is Narok, which is called Naroko. Naroko. The other one is Nyahururu. Nyahururu, which is called Nyahururu. Nyahururu. The other one is Gilgil. Gilgil, which is said as Giro Giro, Giro Giro, Dadie Giro Giro, Dadie Giro Giro. Or some people even say Dadie Giro Gir, Dadie Giro Gir. That's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you had time to learn what I just put on air right now. And yeah, thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you again for choosing to be here, and thank you for everyone who is coming along with me in this journey. It has been such a wonderful journey. I'm so happy and so proud of everyone. I can say we are becoming really active, and we are having a very active community and even a very active family, which I'm so proud of. I cannot wait to see more and more coming. Thank you everyone who have been supporting me, and thank you even for your comments, for your love, and even for the support. I so much appreciate. I appreciate a lot. Please, if you have any suggestions, feel free to use the comment section. Drop your comments down there. I will make sure I answer or I attend to that as soon as possible. Forgive me for being so busy. Sometimes it's not easy for me to upload videos as frequent as I want to, but we are not going to give up. We are still going on, and I'm gonna make time wherever possible and even create content for you guys anytime when I have the space and all the time that is needed. Anyway, without wasting much time, thank you again. Good night. Have a nice time and have a blessed night wherever you are. Bye bye.